DPFs. Most Mercedes diesel vehicles have one, and they are designed to reduce exhaust emissions. Inside, they look like a big honeycomb or sponge, and that's where all the exhaust carbon and soot gets captured. Starting up this end, this is where the turbocharger connects to. So the exhaust travels down in this direction. Up here, we've got a port for the oxygen sensor. We've also got another port for a temperature sensor. These two here, they have metal pipes running to them and a pressure differential sensor connected. The vehicle uses that pressure differential reading to decide how full the DPF filter is. The vehicle actually has a process to automatically clean the DPF called a regeneration. So once the blockage in the DPF filter reaches a certain point, usually every 500 to 1,000 kilometers, excess fuel will be injected and the temperature inside the DPF will reach more than 500 degrees. This actually burns out the soot buildup inside the honeycomb material there, and that will reduce the restriction in the DPF. This automatic regeneration process should happen every single time as required, typically until an engine fault occurs. So what we'll often see is that if the engine light comes on or the vehicle goes into limp mode, this automatic regeneration process will be suspended and the DPF will become more and more blocked over time. So once the DPF blockage becomes excessive, you will have error codes for it. And even if you clear them though, it will not automatically regenerate. That's when either a forced regeneration has to occur or the DPF has to be removed and professionally cleaned. A forced regeneration is something we often have to do after a vehicle has had the engine light on or been in limp mode. That's because the automatic regeneration process has failed and the soot blockage has reached a certain point in which the automatic process won't occur. The forced regeneration is done using our Mercedes diagnostic software, and with the right temperature conditions, we can initiate a regeneration burn and that will clear the soot from the DPF. If the blockage is incredibly excessive, the DPF, however, must be removed and must be professionally cleaned. To learn more, have a look at our webpage linked below or give us a call.